Today we are going to continue chapter number 10, Disaster Management from Science and Technology Part 2. Nature and Scope of Disaster. Taking into consideration the scope of disaster, there are 6 important phases: pre-disaster phase, warning phase, emergency phase, rehabilitation phase, recovery phase, and reconstruction phase. Let us discuss each of these phases with the help of disaster safe flood. Pre-disaster phase. The period before the flood is identified as the phase of preparations. Many precautionary measures like construction of infrastructure above sea level, repair and maintenance of dams, introduction of proper afforestation plans, soil management practices are carried out. Warning phase. During this phase, flood warning systems become active. Warning phase of flood signifies the need to move human settlements and livestock out of low-lying areas and flood-prone areas. Emergency phase. This phase is the action phase where life stuck in flood is saved. Rescue operations are carried out during this phase. Rehabilitation phase. After the subsidence of flood, rescue operations are still continued. Victims are rehabilitated to much safer place like relief camps where basic necessities like food, drinking water, medical aid are provided. Recovery phase. In this phase, efforts are made to bring normalcy in public life. Generally, monetary help is provided by the government to the victims of flood. Services like water supply, communication services, electricity supply are restored. Reconstruction phase. In this phase, infrastructure facilities which were damaged due to flood are reconstructed again. Taking into consideration the nature and the scope of disaster, only 3 aspects of disaster are important for common citizens. They are emergency phase, transitional phase, and reconstruction phase. Let us study each phase in brief. Phase of emergency. Important character of this phase is that maximum life can be saved by quick action during this phase only. Various actions like search and rescue operations, medical assistance, first aid, restoring communication services, removing the people from affected area are expected in this phase. Gravity of the disaster can be estimated in this phase only. Transitional phase. Rehabilitation work is started in this phase after the subsidence of any type of disaster. It includes clearing of debris, restoring water supply, repairing roads, etc., so that it will help to bring normalcy in public life. Rehabilitation of victim is important aspect of this phase. Generally, different institutes offer the monetary and other type of help to such people. It helps to reduce the mental stress at the earliest if the victims are offered with permanent mean of earning livelihood, and this is a true rehabilitation. Reconstruction phase. This is highly complicated phase. This phase begins in transitional phase. People reconstruct their buildings and facilities like roads and water supply are restored. Farming practices are restarted. However, it takes long time for reconstruction.